Hi everyone, and welcome back to ALLTO PythonParts channel. Following this series, you can see how ALLTO PythonParts work for building reinforcement, and also some tips and tricks when using ALLTO PythonParts will be shown. So let's start. Okay, open the drawing file contains strip version, drawing for reinforcement. And now I will open the tool. It's here. Double-click to open the interface for the strip version Python part. So I define array as Python parts element, which can be modified later, and the position name is 1. Next, I want to get elevation and dimensions of the foundation, so I click to this button and click to select the strip foundation to get them. Alright, we have elevation point and dimensions of the strip foundation here. Okay, now let's define some parameters for the rebars. Concrete cover will be 50 mm for side, bottom, and top. We have ability to switch layer between longitudinal rebars and transverse rebars if needed. And for the positioning axis, this will define where the Python part will be placed. Outside is good for me,